Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop pop-up ads on Android phone. So I will be showing you a few methods here. First, you can go to Google web browser, or you can also go to your Edge or whatever browser you're using. Just go to site settings. First you have to go to settings, and then you have to locate a site settings right here. So once you locate site settings, you have to click that one, that site setting. Now, inside the site setting, you will see here options such as pop-ups and redirect. Now, you have to make sure that you have toggled this one off. So, you have to turn this one off. Okay, block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. You have to turn this one on. So, again, for pop-up ads and redirects, turn off. For ads like intrusive ads, you have to turn this one on. Another thing is that you can just basically go to a VPN or look for your phone VPN. And then this time you can add a VPN such as dns.google and then save. So you can go to VPN, go to private DNS, and then this time you have to look for the configure or configure private DNS and then type here dns.google and then save. Also, another thing is that you can just basically clear cache. So you can go back to your phone settings, or let's just say your Google settings, and then look for the privacy and security and then clear browsing data. So these are the ways to remove suspicious apps on your phone. And that is the reason why you keep receiving ads or pop-up ads. Optional, you can install an ad blocker, but you should use trusted apps like AdGuard or Blockada. So these are the ways and how to easily block or stop pop-up ads on Android phones. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.